Good day to all. Today our topic is data logger for data collection. In previous days, we are utilizing transducers and sensors for collecting the data from experimental setup and also in manufacturing industry's shop floor. From that collected data only, we can analyze the process performance. Today, we will discuss about data logger concepts in manufacturing industries. Myself, Dr. B. Suresh Kumar, Department of Mechanical Engineering. The data logger is an electronic device. It automatically monitor and record environmental parameters such as temperature, humidity with over time, and also it allowing conditions to be measured, documented, and also it will be utilized for analyze the data and validate the data with the aid of computer synchronization with the device. So the data logger functions are mainly in two steps. These are that the data logger contains a sensor to receive the information and a computer chip to store it. And then the information stored in the data logger is transferred to a computer for analysis so that from the data logger we can receive the data from manufacturing system and also store the data with the computer chip, and also we can analyze the data with the computers. So we incorporate intelligent sensors also with this device to record any parameters from temperature to vibration in machine shops for quality and production metrics. And then industrial data logger, because data logger is utilized for industrial components for connecting the industries with the artificial intelligence, so that we should aware about the industrial data logger. It provides the solutions about how do we monitor the equipment and the processes for applications including collecting energy, and also it utilize the data for analyzing, and it monitors the process, and also it announce any fault available with the process, and it creates a temperature profiling and also energy monitoring. Similarly, it performs on process documentation, so that collection of these data we can perform the research and development activity in industries. And then data logger can be utilized as like a standalone device and multiple device, so that standalone units are consist of multiple channels. One device can be utilized with the different sensors for collecting the data. Standalone units are battery powered, so data loggers can accept different input types. There are also multiple input data loggers that can accept two or more types of input, such as temperature and humidity or temperature and pressure. Some data loggers can even accept all types of input. Nowadays, 4M plays in industries which are men, machine, material, and methods. And in nowadays and recent days, we utilize fifth M also. Fifth M is mother environment. That mother environment is affected the workpiece surface and also process nature. So we should aware about the humidity on the air condition and the temperature available with the manufacturing circumstances, so that we should need the temperature and the humidity data also for industrial development. And then data logger parts, what all the parts it has means, generally it has microprocessor. Why we need a microprocessor? Microprocessor has internal memory for data storage, and also it has sensor for collect the data. So data loggers can either interface with a computer and use software to view and analyze the collected data, so that data logger is used to collect the data and analyze the experimental data. So we incorporate both the things, analyzation and the sensing the physical system. The advantage of data logger uh, is that they can operate independently of a computer, unlike many other types of data acquisition devices. Was like thermometer is utilized for sense the temperature on the system, but we can't able to analyze the data with the aid of thermometer. For the reason we go for thermocouples. Thermocouples also sense the data, but it places different system, but it can't also analyze the data. So data loggers is utilized for collecting the data and also analyze the data. And applications of data logger in manufacturing industries and other related activities are analyze temperature and humidity levels of warehouse and logistic facilities available with the manufacturing industries, and also provide building maintenance information on heating, ventilation, and air conditioning operations to assist with the energy conversion in civil industries, and monitor plant rotation conditions in the agricultural farms, monitor vaccine storage in a medical facility, and finally it may be utilized for monitor the temperature of a food processing unit. So nowadays we can utilize data logger for individual sensors, individual equipments, individual instruments for collect the data from experimental setup or industrial shop floor. So we can utilize the data logger for easily convert the analog data it into digital data with the aid of connected computer devices. So digitization is important. Digital manufacturing also introduced in manufacturing industries. So data logger play vital role for collecting the data and also analyze the data with a single device. So it is called a standalone device. We can utilize for analyzation data and predict the equipment performance. Thank you.